Namaste students, my name is JV'n Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayoti Vidhyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are going to discuss the topic mechanism of evolution, and this comes under the subject ecology and evolution. So we have already discussed that what is the evolution and what is its basic introduction. So now uh, let's start to discussing the mechanism of evolution. So what is the origin of this variation and how does speciation occurs? Okay, in the previous lecture we have discussed the adaptive radiation. Okay, in which we have understood that how the various species uh, generated from a single mother species. So how does speciation occur? So even though the Mendel had talked of inheritable factors influencing phenotype, Darwin either ignored these observations or kept silence. So factors. Okay, Mendel discussed the factors which we have now known as the genes that influencing the phenotype. So in the first decade of 20th century, the Hugo de Vries, based on his work on immune primrose, brought forth the idea of mutations. Okay, so large differences arising suddenly in a population are the result of mutations. Okay, so mutations and um, the adaptations are with two different things. The mutation, the result of mutations or the mutations occurs suddenly, and they arise. They will keep change the population. So he believed that it is mutation which causes evolution and not the minor variations that is heritable that Darwin talked about. Okay, so the mutations are random and directionless, while the Darwinian variations are small and directional. Okay, so in the each generation, the some changes and genes are there. Okay, so slightly change because crossing over is there, and the daughter cell have the combination of genes from mother and father. Okay, so there should be some changes in each generation. They are directional, but the mutations are random and they are directionless. So evolution for the Darwin was gradual, while the Hugo de Vries believed mutations caused speciations and hence called a saltation. So single step large mutation. Single step large mutation. So studies in population genetics later brought out some clarity for that. So these were the two different bases of the um, generation of the evolution or the speciation. So evolution, what is the evolution? Evolution is the gradual change in the species and that environmental factors. So they keep changing the species, they keep changing or keep evolve the species. Okay, so that is the evolution, and in this lecture we have discussed two factors. One which is the heritable, and one is the mutation that is not that is also heritable, but they are sudden changes. Okay, so hope you are satisfied with this tutorial session. If you have any query, please write in the comment box, I will resolve that. And this session is powered by digital version 2, Jyoti Vidhyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.